Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today, we have an opportunity to be a part-time Instagram manager. This pays $22 an hour. It starts in June and ends in December. You'll be classified as an independent contractor, 1099, and you only have to work 10 hours per week. So this is for a nonprofit focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion. They're seeking a part-time Instagram manager to support their projects. They share their stories of modern American moms with a focus on diversity and inclusion. The ideal candidate will have experience in creating content on Instagram, posts, reels, and stories with proven ability to increase followers and encourage engagement. They're looking for an individual that is self-motivated, inquisitive, and aligned with the values of their organization. Some of your responsibilities include work with the current editor to maintain the content schedule and post at optimum times, research hashtags, trending audio, and resources related to American motherhood to develop engaging content, engage with active accounts, establish strong relationships, and invite relevant mothers to submit to their journal, track performance metrics, report results, and suggest strategy adjustments as necessary. Maintain an open line of communication with the current editor and minimal graphical design. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, I'll leave the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. Just subscribe to this channel because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the perfect remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.